That's what they're called. TGI Friday. TGI Friday. Right? They're new. They're chicken legs. Sort of wings. Right? Wings. Right? See what they're called? Right? And the Iceland's, yep, lovely, innit? They're called that. TGI Friday. Right? They're lovely. See how many chilies in it? 2 chilies. Right? Not very hot and spicy. Right? Just right. Right? Made by Iceland's. Made by TGI Friday. Iceland sell it. Right, I bought these for £3. For £2 or £3, yeah. And they were good. They were lovely, they were. They got the nice and spice as well. Right? Scootsie Trademark TV signing off.